Hello, how are you? I'm fine. I hope so. All you are fine and fit and healthy. So, as we discussed in previous video about the first method of square root, that was repeated subtraction method. Now the second method is prime factorization method. Already we have discussed about the square root. Suppose what is the square root? Again, I'm telling you in this video also. I need to calculate the square root of 4. Then what will come? We can write 2 into 2. Pair will, one pair is there. From one pair, one value will come outside. 2. 2 is the square root. So, square root, it's a opposite case of square. Like, I need 4. What should I place here to get 4? 2 I can place, then I will get 4. And if I will place minus 2 also, then also I will get 4. And in square root method, one logic is there: when we will remove the square, another side square root will come. This is the symbol of square root. So this side the number can be minus 2 and number can be plus 2. So plus minus. But you people don't go in minus 1 part. Here in grade 8 up to the grade 8 level we are using only the positive number. But you don't think so. Root 4 can also give minus 2. Means root 16 is equal to plus minus 4. Root 9 is equal to plus minus 3. Root 25 is equal to plus minus 5. Means whenever the number is coming outside the square root, that time it can be negative also, positive also. And just now I told you about this with the help. So now I'm coming to the prime factorization method. I'm telling you first prime numbers. The number which is divisible by 1 and itself only. Those numbers we are calling prime numbers. And factorization means we are writing in the factors. Okay. So what is the prime factorization method? I'm taking with this simple example, like I need to find out the square root. So all of you know the prime factorization method is this. First of all, we will divide by 2. This number is not divisible by 2. Now by 3, yes, it is divisible. Now again by 3, 1. This root 9 we can write 3 into 3. These are the prime numbers and they are in the factor form. So this is the prime factorization. This method is prime factorization method. This method we are calling prime factorization method. Now with the help of this prime factorization method, we will find out the square root of a perfect square number. So you notice one thing: whenever we are getting one pair, you take out one value outside the pair. So 3 is the square root of 9. Okay, one more example I am giving you. Like 100 is there. 100. Okay, I need to find out the square root of 100. Now, first prime factorization. Prime factorization we will find out with the help of this method. 2. 50. Easily it is divisible. Now again by 2. 25. Now this number is not divisible by 2. Now 25. By 3 also not divisible. By 4 also not divisible. By 5. 5 times. Now again by 5. 1 time. Now this under root 100 we can also write under root 2 into 5 into 5. Now we'll see the pairs. 2 to 1 pair is there and 5 of 1 pair is there. From this pair 2 will come outside. From this pair 5 will come outside. Now you don't think so. Suppose एक बाहर आ गया तो एक कहाँ गया? No, means for square root, square is that square of 2. And the square power we can cancel, as we discussed in our previous chapter number 2. powers and exponents. So in that, suppose x square raised to the power 1 upon 2. Power will be multiplied. So power will be cancelled and the number will come x. Square root means power is half only. This number, this like we can also write raised to the power 1 upon 2. Square root means power 1 upon 2. We can also say square root means power 1 upon 2. Very important point for you guys. You note down this. So here also 2 raised to the power 2 and 5 raised to the power 2. That 2 power will be cancelled by this. This root means half power. Now the value came 10. 2 into 5, 10. So square root of 100 is equal to 10. Note down this example. Now I am giving you one more example. Square root of another number. We need to calculate 1764. So first of all, prime factorization of this number. All well known prime factorization. First of all, 1764. Okay, you pause this video and first you solve by yourself, and then afterwards you see here your solution. Now this number is divisible by 2. Then what will come? 882. Now again divisible by 2. 441. Now this number is not divisible by 2 because it's not an even number. Now this 441 is not divisible by 2 because it's an odd number. Now 4 plus 4, 8, and plus 1, 9 means divisible by 3. Now how many times divide will go? 1, 4 and 7. Okay. Now 7 and 8 and 12. Is this number divisible by 3? Now also this is divisible by 3. 4 times, 9 times. Now this 49 is not divisible by 3, divisible by 7 directly. 7 times of this 7 is divisible by 7, 1. Now you see here, this under root 1764 we can write like this: 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 7 into 7. Now pairs: one pair of 2, one pair of 3, one pair of 7. From this pair 2 will come outside, from this pair 3 will come, and from this pair 7 will come outside. So this finally square root of 1764 is equal to 2 3s are 6, 42. So square root of 1764 is 42. Prime factorization method is also very easy method and very useful method. Means almost we are using this method because it's easy to solve question and easy to understand also. So this part we are calling prime factorization. With the help of this prime factorization we are calculating the square root. So this method name is prime factorization method for finding the square root. Okay, you solve more and more questions on this and then you will discuss your doubts. I don't think so you will face any doubt in this prime factorization method. So students, bye, solve questions.